today we're gonna do an easy to make paper spinner. Let's go. So, what you're gonna need are scissors, cardboard,
And
glue.
you have to draw a hole in it with your pencil.
Markers.
Then it'll turn out like this at the end once you cut
And
it.
then you're gonna need
And thick paper is better too.
Yeah. And you're gonna need string.
And a whole pack of markers. And dark is way better.
Yeah, because whenever you spin it, the colors are gonna vanish.
Yeah.
Oh, what do we have here? Uncut paper.
Now let's cut.
Cut it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! So,
Okay, guys.
this is what we've done so far. So these are mine. I've done this one. And this.
And I've done this one. And this one. And I'm going to be showing you this one with the string. So these are the 2 toothpicks. So right here, we're going to glue them right here like that. And then we're going to poke 2 holes 1 centimeter from each other. Like, pew, pew. And then
you're gonna put the string inside. So, and then you make a little knot of both of the holes, and then you can spin it, and then the colors will disappear.
And your string has to be 34 centimeters long for it to work.
Yeah.
So let's poke the holes and glue the stick. 3, 2, 1. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a happy whatever day you're watching this. Comment down below and do this by yourself and send us pictures. And which one do you like the best? So mine's like a mountain, beautiful colors, pink thing. Yeah, and then you spin it, and then you let go, let it straighten, and then it spins.
So mine is like some stars with my 3 favorite colors, purple, pink, and blue. And then the other side, I have something random. I don't know what I did, but it's like, I don't know, something I just imagined or something. And so this is how you spin it, guys. So you grab your fingers and put it in the string. And then you make sure it's in the middle so it can be balanced. And then you start spinning it really, 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 really fast. Ooh, as fast as you can. And yeah.
Let's go! 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys! Thanks for watching.